So this is very simple. Basically, how much you know about each other. So suppose if I say favorite movie of Kinshuk, at the count of 1, 2, 3, आप लोग को एक साथ बोलना पड़ेगा. Okay? Let's start. Okay? You're ready? Okay. So Kinshuk's favorite movie. 1, 2, 3. You have to say it together, come on. Kinshuk's favorite movie, 1. So okay, if you can say, and Kinshuk will then say whether it's right or wrong. Let's make it easy for you people. Kinshuk's favorite movie.
Chalte Chalte?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Shivya's favorite movie. Say it. Okay, I think so. If not an actor, what would Shivya be? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh, she says that if
No.
you have got married by now.
Yeah.
Okay. So if not an actor, what would Kinshuk be?
Fighter.
Oh, great. Okay.
मतलब you say that मेरे कोई dreams नहीं थे और
ड्रीम्स थे, बट तुम ही तो ये कहती हो.
मैंने ये कभी नहीं कहा है कि अगर मैं एक्टर नहीं होती तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं होती.
So what would be Shivya? What would be if not
एक
an
बहुत अच्छी
actor?
बेटी होती है, एक बहुत अच्छी.
मतलब हम साझेदारी कर रहे हैं, but that's not the thing. अगर मैं एक्टर नहीं होती तो भी मैं इंडस्ट्री में कोई काम कर रही हूँ.
नहीं, I think ये एक्टर नहीं होती तो मॉडलिंग वगैरह कर रही थी, and she's
हाँ, I was Miss Shimla, so you know that.
सुपर मॉडल होती है.
Okay.
I wish.
Great.
That's the only thing that I want.
You want to be a super model, not an actor.
Oh, an actress. Is
Okay.
better.
Okay. What is Kinshuk's favorite hangout place? Kinshuk's favorite hangout place.
Home.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Like कहीं नहीं तो कुछ नहीं है तो घर पर ही रहता.
Okay. Okay. What is Shivya's favorite hangout place?
Anyway.
Okay.
Anywhere. You can find me anywhere, but not at home. Mostly.
Okay. Great. Okay. What is the one thing which Shivya's hate the most? One habit in a person or one quality in a person which she hates the most.
Nothing.
I was actually gonna say that because like she always
You love everything in a person.
Yeah,
One bad quality, maybe dishonesty.
Because for me, if hating someone is something that will take away, well, I would not ever want to see that person in my life. So there's nothing I dislike few things, but I don't hate, because hating is a very big thing, and I need to feel good
Life
about
is
the
too short
person.
to hate anything.
Right.
I need to be feel good about the other person to talk to that person.
Right. Okay, one thing which Kinshuk hates the most. Is there something, or it's like Shivya, you didn't hate anything?
I don't think so. No.
Which you hate the most?
कोई मुझे avoid.
Oh, that is the one thing. Okay.
Someone special, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay. What is one thing which Kinshuk loves the most?
No.
No.
Okay, great.
क्या बोले ना?
Actually पता नहीं था. But नहीं mom.
Okay. What is the one thing which Shivya loves the most?
Her freedom.
Great.
Exactly.
Great.
Exactly.
Okay. Last movie which Kinshuk watched. 1, 2, 3.
Forgot, but
We watched it together.
हाँ
Was that?
कौन सी थी? साथ में तो थी.
जब सो Dear Zindagi.
ये सो गई थी. ये सो गई थी.
So that was the last.
Actually went for a very late.
Very late.
show.
So actually we slept in the last 15 minutes.
Okay,
It
so-
was very nice. It's a nice movie. Very nice.
That was the last movie you people watched?
Yeah.
Okay.
She watched Dangal though.
Yeah.
I did.
Okay. Kinshuk's favorite app?
Instagram.
Great. Shivya's favorite app?
Instagram.
At the okay, good. What boosts Shivya's mood? Abi.
Punjabi music.
Great. What boosts Kinshuk's mood?
Music.
Let me count at the count of 1, 2, 3.
Music?
Music? No, hopping around.
Yeah. I know.
Okay. One thing which Kinshuk would want to change about himself, what would be? So at the count of 1, 2, 3, Shivya has to
To
answer.
talk to like what? That you don't want to that chijak?
Chijak?
What do you? I don't know actually. What did you ask?
One thing which Kinshuk would like to change about himself. Any one habit or one quality.
I don't know about what he wants to change in himself, but what he likes about me is what he used to tell me, not actually caring about anything and doing and saying things. What I
basically do, I usually think before saying.
And I don't think before saying, and he always said that मैं अपने पाँव
Basically, I avoid foot in the mouth moments.
and I always do that.
Okay.
I would like to do that things at times.
Okay.
But वो मुझे कभी counter attack नहीं करता है, वो मेरे लिए हमेशा helpful होता है, so
Okay. Okay.
put in the mouth.
One thing which Shivya would like to change in herself,
I
if
think
there is anything.
Nothing.
I think everything has worked. Even crying, even laughing, even saying things on people's face जो नहीं बोलनी चाहिए, पर वो भी मेरे लिए काम ही आया आज तक.
हाँ मतलब कोई गड़बड़ है ना शिव्या करे it will just pass off. कोई बुरा नहीं मानता, पर मैं करूँ या कोई और करे तो शायद कोई hurt हो जाए, ego.
मतलब for me it's like, oh she
can do
हाँ,
anything.
पता था. It's like अच्छा हाँ okay expected like that.
Okay. Shivya, question is for you. Kinshuk's birthday.
5th April 1991.
Okay. Kinshuk, Shivya's birthday.
26 July.
Okay. Now this is one question which most actors got wrong actually. Okay, Shivya's favorite cartoon character.
Shivya's favorite cartoon character Pikachu.
Right, Shivya?
नहीं.
Shinchan.
Shinchan. Okay. Kinshuk's favorite cartoon character.
Not Batman. No, Batman.
This Baloo the bear.
Yeah, Baloo the bear. Okay.
Shinchan, but you knew Shinchan. तुमने मुझे एक बार बोला भी था कि मुझे पता था Shinchan ही बोलेगी.
Actually I just forgot. I actually forgot because I never watched Shinchan. तो Shinchan मेरे
Because
दिमाग में
Shinchan
था.
is मेरे हाँ मेरे जैसे बच्चे जो
बदतमीज
Shinchan
लड़का
देखते
था
हैं जो
वो.
बदतमीज ही जहाँ से
I
मैंने
don't like
सीखी है.
बदतमीज people, so
Oh.
मैं कभी
You
Shinchan
like me?
Okay.
राजमा चावल.
Yeah.
Okay. Kinshuk's favorite food.
Homemade food. I think मराठी में एक वो होता है मुझे नाम नहीं आता उसका. Why?
बरन.
Okay. One word or one line which Kinshuk often use. One word or one line which he often use. Okay. And one word or one line which Shivya often use.
मैं बता रही हूँ.
मैं बता रही हूँ. पता है मैं बता रही हूँ ना.
Okay. So, Kinshuk, if given a chance, Kinshuk can marry a Bollywood actress. Who would that be? At the count of 1, 2, 3.
Deepika Padukone?
पूछ रहे हो बता रहे हो.
मतलब I don't know that you are going to answer that.
Is it Deepika?
कौन है?
मुझे नहीं तुम्हें पता होगा.
मेरी तो इससे शादी हो चुकी है.
So he's already married to an actor.
Okay. And the same question is for you, Kinshuk. If Shivya can marry a Bollywood actor, who would that be?
अगर मेरी से शादी हुई है तो obviously इसकी भी मुझसे शादी हुई है.
But if generally, any favorite actor which Shivya really likes?
Actually दो है but दोनों में से एक को देख के तो बेहोश हो जाएगी तो I don't think you'll marry. How will you do the fairas with him?
No, I cannot because I
Who is that?
That is Shah Rukh Khan. उसको देख के तो बेहोश हो जाएगी तो I don't think.
think I'll be able to be good.
Okay. And the second actor?
वो taxi.
This is Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't marry, but yeah, I
Yeah.
am a fan.
Okay.
I'm already married.
She likes
So-
Ranbir, but I don't think she will marry.
Okay. So this is the last question. Kinshuk, you first. What was the first reaction when you saw Shivya on the set of Ek?
Live wire.
What was your first reaction? It was good, it was bad, it was
It was
mixed.
good. Like I was like, ये तो एक live wire है. तो क्या होता है लाइव वायर आप जब टच करते हो या तो करंट से मर जाते हो या तो आप में भी वो एनर्जी फ्लो होती है. तो आई थिंक मुझमें वो एनर्जी फ्लो.
Okay.
Live wire.
Shivya, what about you? What was the first reaction?
I have told वैसे बहुत टाइम पे the first time because the mock shoot था हमारा group test था तो यार first time you're meeting you're coming and you know you get to know that he's the actor. At that time I did not know that he's the Shakalaka Boom Boom guy but he was talking on phone. So I was sitting there I'm doing my makeup and I'm looking at him कि he's talking on the phone फोन ही क्या बिजनेस देख, बिकॉज इज टॉकिंग, एक तो मराठी में बात करता है जो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था, और ऊपर से कुछ बिजनेस की बात करते हैं। मैंने कहा यार अगर बिजनेस करता है तो मतलब एक्टिंग मतलब क्या, एंड आई एम लाइक टॉकिंग टू एवरीवन एंड दिस गाय इज टॉकिंग ऑन फोन। मुझे लग रहा था यार व्हाट, like I am all over there and he is busy somewhere else. Yeah, he was, the first impression was कि a busy guy.
मतलब ये तुम्हारा इंप्रेशन ये था कि यार इसका तो ध्यान ही नहीं है काम में, पता नहीं कि और ही जान रहा है।
हाँ मतलब he's a busy guy. Busy guy.
So Sayyam is the name of the character, but he's totally opposite of what Sayyam is. The meaning on the contrary, it's like an oxymoron. He's not dark, I won't call him dark.